VMware vSphere Online Training. Introduction to VMware vSphere. VMware vSphere is a leading virtualization platform designed to abstract and pool computing, storage, and networking resources in data centers. Here's an introduction to its key components and functionalities. Hypervisor. At the core of vSphere is the VMware ES11 hypervisor, which abstracts physical hardware resources and allows multiple virtual machines, VMs, to run concurrently on a single physical server. ES11 is known for its efficient resource utilization and robust security features. vCenter Server. This is the centralized management component of vSphere. It provides a single interface to manage all aspects of the virtualized environment, including VM provisioning, monitoring, and resource allocation across multiple ES11 hosts. VMware vSphere Client. This is the primary interface through which administrators interact with vSphere. It allows users to manage virtual machines, configure networking and storage, and monitor performance metrics. vSphere Distributed Switch, VDS. This virtual switch simplifies network management by providing a centralized interface to configure and monitor network settings across multiple ES11 hosts in a data center. vSphere Storage. VMware vSphere supports various storage options, including Direct Attached Storage, DAS, Network Attached Storage, NAS, and Storage Area Networks, SANs. It includes features like VMFS, Virtual Machine File System, for managing VM disks, and vSphere Storage APIs for storage management. High Availability, HA, and Fault Tolerance, FT. These features enhance the availability of VMs by automatically restarting VMs on healthy hosts, HA, in case of host failures, and by maintaining a synchronized secondary VM, FT, for continuous operation in case of primary VM failures. vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler, DRS. DRS dynamically balances compute resources, CPU and memory, across ES11 hosts in a cluster to optimize performance and ensure workload availability. vSphere Security Features. VMware vSphere includes various security features such as role-based access control, RBAC, encrypted VMs and vMotion traffic, secure boot, and VM-level encryption to protect data and infrastructure integrity. vSphere Update Manager, VUM. VUM automates the patching and updating of ES11 hosts and VMs, ensuring they are running the latest security updates and software versions. VMware Cloud Foundation. This is an integrated software platform that combines vSphere with VMware vSAN, software-defined storage, and NSX, software-defined networking, to provide a complete cloud infrastructure solution. Architecture and components of VMware vSphere. VMware vSphere is a comprehensive virtualization platform that provides a range of services for building, managing, and optimizing virtualized infrastructures. Here are the key components and architectural aspects of VMware vSphere. Architecture components. ES11 Hypervisor. ES11 is VMware's bare metal hypervisor that runs directly on the server hardware without the need for an underlying operating system. It abstracts physical resources, CPU, memory, storage, networking, and allocates them to virtual machines, VMs. vCenter Server. vCenter Server is a centralized management application that provides a unified platform for managing all vSphere components. It enables administrators to configure, manage, and monitor virtualized environments and their resources. vSphere Client. The vSphere client is the primary interface used by administrators to interact with vCenter Server and manage the vSphere environment. It provides a graphical user interface (GUI) for tasks such as VM management, resource allocation, and performance monitoring. VMware vSphere Web Client. This is another interface option that provides web-based management capabilities for vSphere environments. It allows administrators to perform similar tasks as the vSphere client but through a web browser. VMware vSphere Distributed Switch (VDS). The VDS is a centralized switch that spans multiple ES11 hosts and provides network configuration consistency across the entire data center. It simplifies network management and enhances network visibility and control. VMware vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler (DRS). DRS is a vSphere feature that continuously monitors resource utilization across a vSphere cluster. It dynamically balances VM workloads based on predefined rules and policies to optimize performance and resource utilization. VMware vSphere High Availability (HA). HA provides automatic restart of VMs on other hosts within a cluster in case of ES11 host failures. It ensures high availability by reducing downtime and maintaining service continuity. Virtualization with VMware vSphere. VMware vSphere is a comprehensive virtualization platform by VMware, designed to virtualize applications and transform data centers into simplified cloud infrastructures. It offers features like server virtualization, allows multiple virtual machines, VMs, to run on a single physical server, optimizing hardware resources. Resource management provides tools for managing CPU, memory, storage, and networking resources across the virtualized environment. High availability ensures applications remain available by automatically restarting VMs on other servers if a server fails. Fault tolerance provides continuous availability for applications in case of server failures by maintaining synchronized VMs. Security includes features like VM encryption, secure boot, and role-based access control (RBAC) to enhance data security. Automation supports automation through VMware vSphere APIs, enabling tasks to be scripted and automated for efficiency. Scalability easily scales up or down based on business needs, supporting growth without extensive hardware changes. Storage and network virtualization integrates with VMware vSAN for software-defined storage and NSX for software-defined networking. Management and administration in VMware vSphere. In VMware vSphere, management and administration are critical for maintaining virtualized environments. Here are some key aspects. Resource management: allocate and manage CPU, memory, storage, and network resources across virtual machines, VMs, to optimize performance and utilization. Virtual machine management: create, deploy, and manage VMs efficiently. This includes provisioning, cloning, snapshots, and templates for rapid deployment. Monitoring and alerts. Utilize monitoring tools to track performance metrics like CPU usage, memory utilization, disk I/O, and network throughput. Set up alerts for proactive management. High availability. Configure and manage features like VMware High Availability (HA) to ensure VMs restart automatically on another host in case of hardware failure. Fault tolerance. Enable fault tolerance for critical VMs to ensure continuous operation by maintaining synchronized copies of VMs on separate hosts. Security. Implement security measures such as role-based access control, RBAC, virtual firewall configurations, and VM encryption to protect data and infrastructure. Backup and recovery. Set up backup solutions to protect VMs and data. Plan and test disaster recovery procedures to ensure business continuity. Patch management. Keep vSphere components and VM guest operating systems up to date with patches and updates to address security vulnerabilities and performance improvements. Automation. Use VMware vSphere automation tools like PowerCLI or VMware vSphere APIs to automate repetitive tasks, streamline operations, and improve efficiency. Capacity planning. Forecast future resource requirements based on current usage trends to avoid resource shortages and optimize infrastructure investments. Resource management in VMware vSphere. Resource management in VMware vSphere is crucial for optimizing performance and ensuring efficient utilization of resources in virtualized environments. Here are some key aspects and tools for resource management in VMware vSphere. Resource pools. Resource pools are used to manage and allocate CPU and memory resources among virtual machines, VMs. They allow you to set limits, shares, and reservations to prioritize resource allocation based on VM importance or workload requirements. DRS, Distributed Resource Scheduler. DRS automatically balances computing capacity across a vSphere cluster by migrating VMs to different hosts based on resource usage. It helps optimize performance and ensure workload availability by avoiding resource contention. Storage DRS. Similar to DRS for compute resources, Storage DRS optimizes storage resources by balancing VM storage requirements across data stores within a cluster. It improves performance and efficiency while simplifying storage management. vSphere HA, High Availability HA provides failover protection for VMs by restarting them on different hosts within a cluster in case of host failure. This ensures minimal downtime and maintains service availability. vSphere resource management features. These include features like vMotion, live migration of VMs, storage vMotion, live migration of VM disks, and distributed power management, DPM, for optimizing power consumption by powering hosts on/off based on workload demand. Monitoring and performance optimization. vSphere provides tools for monitoring resource usage, CPU, memory, storage, network, at VM, host, and cluster levels. Performance optimization involves identifying bottlenecks, adjusting resource allocations, and leveraging features like transparent page sharing, TPS, and memory compression to maximize efficiency. Resource allocation settings. VMs can be configured with resource allocation settings such as CPU shares, reservations, and limits, as well as memory reservations and limits. These settings help ensure that critical VMs receive adequate resources while preventing resource hogging by less critical VMs. Automation and policy-based management. vSphere supports automation through vSphere APIs and PowerCLI scripting for managing and provisioning resources programmatically. Policy-based management allows administrators to define and enforce resource allocation policies across clusters. Security features in VMware vSphere. VMware vSphere offers several security features to protect virtualized environments. Role-based access control. RBAC allows administrators to assign roles and permissions to users or groups, restricting access to specific vSphere objects and operations. Encrypted vMotion encrypts data during vMotion migrations to prevent unauthorized access to VM data in transit. Secure boot ensures that only cryptographically signed code executes on the ES11 host, protecting against boot-time malware attacks. VM encryption provides encryption for virtual machines' disks, ensuring data confidentiality even if the underlying storage is compromised. vSphere Network I/O Control NIOC allows administrators to prioritize and allocate network bandwidth to different VMs and services, enhancing network performance and security. vSphere Distributed Switch VDS centralizes network management across multiple hosts, improving network visibility and control. Audit quality logging captures detailed logs of user activities and changes made within the vSphere environment, aiding in compliance audits and forensic investigations. vSphere Security Hardening Guide VMware publishes security hardening guides with best practices for securing vSphere deployments, covering various aspects from configuration to monitoring. High availability and fault tolerance in VMware vSphere. In VMware vSphere, ensuring high availability and fault tolerance (FT) are crucial for maintaining uptime and reliability of virtualized environments. High availability purpose ensures that virtual machines (VMs) remain accessible even if underlying physical servers, hosts, fail. Functionality VMware monitors the health of hosts within a cluster. If a host fails, VMs running on that host are automatically restarted on other hosts within the cluster. Configuration is enabled at the cluster level. It requires shared storage, such as VMware vSN or SAN NAS, accessible to all hosts in the cluster for VMs to be restarted on different hosts. Fault tolerance (FT) purpose FT provides continuous availability for VMs by creating a live shadow instance that mirrors the primary VM. Functionality FT ensures zero downtime during host failures by maintaining a synchronized copy of the primary VM on another host. If the primary VM fails, the secondary, shadow, VM takes over seamlessly without interrupting services. Configuration FT is configured on a per VM basis. It requires dedicated network resources and imposes some limitations on VM configuration, like no physical mode RDM disks and certain CPU requirements. Licensing and editions of VMware vSphere. VMware vSphere, a leading virtualization platform, offers several editions tailored to different needs. VMware vSphere Standard. This edition includes core hypervisor features for server consolidation and business continuity. VMware vSphere Enterprise Plus. This edition expands on standard with advanced features like Distributed Resource Scheduler, DRS, Distributed Switch, VDS, and Storage APIs. VMware vSphere Platinum. In addition to Enterprise Plus features, Platinum adds VMware App Defense for endpoint security and threat detection within virtualized environments. VMware vSphere Essentials, designed for small businesses, Essentials includes basic features for managing up to 3 hosts with essential centralized management tools. VMware vSphere Essentials Plus. This extends Essentials with additional features like vMotion, high availability, and data protection for enhanced business continuity. VMware vSphere Remote Office Branch Office, Robo specifically for remote offices or branch offices. This edition offers simplified deployment and management. Deployment best practices for VMware vSphere. Deploying VMware vSphere effectively involves several best practices to ensure reliability, performance, and scalability. Here are some key best practices. Planning and design. Capacity planning. Estimate current and future resource requirements, CPU, memory, storage. Network design. Plan network configurations for optimal performance and redundancy. Storage design. Choose appropriate storage options, SAN, NAS, or local storage based on performance and scalability needs. Cluster design. Design clusters with fault tolerance and resource distribution in mind. Installation and configuration. Use vSphere Installation Wizard. Follow VMware's installation guides for proper setup. Configure networking. Implement VLANs, NIC teaming, and load balancing for network resilience. Storage configuration. Set up data stores with appropriate RAID levels and multipathing for redundancy and performance. Security. Enable secure access. Implement secure access controls using vSphere's role-based access control, RBAC. Patch management. Regularly apply patches and updates to hosts and vCenter server to mitigate security vulnerabilities. Network segmentation. Use firewalls and network segmentation to isolate critical components. Performance optimization. Resource allocation. Allocate resources, CPU, memory, based on workload requirements. Performance monitoring. Utilize vSphere's monitoring tools, vCenter server, vRealize operations to track performance metrics. Distributed Resource Scheduler. DRS. Enable DRS for automated load balancing across hosts. High availability and fault tolerance. Cluster level high availability. Configure how to restart VMs on alternate hosts in case of host failure. Fault tolerance. FT. Implement FT for critical VMs requiring continuous uptime. Backup and disaster recovery. VMware data protection. Use VMware's backup solutions or third-party tools to perform regular backups. Disaster recovery planning. Develop and test disaster recovery plans to ensure business continuity. Monitoring and reporting. vRealize operations. Use vRealize operations for proactive monitoring, capacity planning, and performance management. Log analysis. Analyze logs to identify and troubleshoot issues promptly. How does VMware vSphere facilitate virtualization? VMware vSphere is a comprehensive virtualization platform that facilitates virtualization in several key ways. Hypervisor technology. vSphere employs VMware's ES11 hypervisor, which enables the abstraction of physical hardware resources, CPU, memory, storage, and networking, into virtualized environments. This allows multiple virtual machines, VMs, to run concurrently on a single physical server. Resource management. vSphere provides robust resource management capabilities, allowing administrators to allocate and manage resources dynamically across VMs. This includes CPU, memory, storage, and network resources, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. High availability and fault tolerance. vSphere offers features like high availability, HA, and fault tolerance, FT, to enhance the availability of VMs. HA ensures that VMs restart automatically on healthy hosts in case of hardware failures, while FT provides continuous availability by maintaining a secondary VM that mirrors the primary VM state. Virtual networking. vSphere includes virtual networking features that allow administrators to create and manage virtual networks within the virtualized environment. This includes virtual switches, VLANs, and network policies. Storage virtualization. vSphere supports various storage virtualization technologies such as Virtual SAN, VSAN, and Storage vMotion. These technologies enable efficient storage management, data protection, and seamless migration of VMs across storage devices. Security and compliance. vSphere provides built-in security features like vSphere Security Hardening Guide, VM encryption, and secure boot options, ensuring that virtualized environments are protected from threats and comply with regulatory requirements. Management and automation. vSphere includes tools like VMware vCenter Server, which centralizes management tasks and provides a single point of control for managing multiple ES11 hosts and VMs, automation capabilities through APIs and integration with VMware vRealize Suite further streamline operations and improve efficiency. How does VMware vSphere improve IT infrastructure management? VMware vSphere improves IT infrastructure management in several ways. Centralized management. It provides a centralized platform to manage virtualized environments, including virtual machines, VMs, storage, and networking resources. This simplifies administration and reduces the overhead of managing individual physical servers. Resource optimization. vSphere optimizes resource utilization by allowing administrators to dynamically allocate CPU, memory, and storage resources based on workload demands. This flexibility ensures efficient use of hardware resources. High availability and fault tolerance. It offers features like vSphere High Availability, HA, and fault tolerance, FT, to ensure that applications remain available even in the event of hardware failures or server crashes. HA automatically restarts VMs on other hosts in case of failure, while FT provides continuous availability with zero downtime. Scalability. vSphere scales easily to support growing business needs by allowing administrators to add hosts and VMs without disrupting existing operations. This scalability is crucial for businesses experiencing rapid growth or seasonal fluctuations in workload. Security. It enhances security through features like VM encryption, network segmentation with virtual firewalls, NSX, and role-based access control, RBAC. These measures protect data and applications from unauthorized access or breaches. Automation and orchestration. vSphere includes tools for automation and orchestration, such as VMware vRealize Automation, VRA, and VMware vRealize Orchestrator, VRO, which streamline provisioning, management, and deployment tasks. This reduces manual effort and accelerates service delivery. Disaster recovery. It supports efficient disaster recovery planning with features like VMware Site Recovery Manager, SRM, which automates the recovery process and ensures minimal downtime during disaster scenarios. Cost savings. By consolidating physical servers into virtual environments, vSphere reduces hardware costs, energy consumption, and data center footprint. It also lowers operational costs associated with maintenance and administration. What are the benefits of using VMware vSphere for businesses? VMware vSphere offers several benefits for businesses, including server consolidation. By virtualizing servers, vSphere allows businesses to run multiple virtual machines, VMs, on a single physical server, reducing hardware costs and improving resource utilization. Resource optimization. It enables efficient management of compute, storage, and networking resources across the data center, optimizing performance and reducing operational overhead. High availability. vSphere provides features like vMotion and high availability, which ensure that VMs can be migrated between servers with zero downtime and automatically restarted on other hosts in case of hardware failures. Disaster recovery. Through features like vSphere Replication and Site Recovery Manager, SRM, businesses can implement robust disaster recovery plans, ensuring data protection and minimal downtime during disasters. Security. vSphere includes built-in security features such as VM encryption, secure boot, and vSphere Distributed Switch, VDS, which enhance data protection and compliance with regulatory requirements. Scalability. It supports scalable architectures, allowing businesses to easily scale up or down their virtual infrastructure to meet changing demands without disrupting operations. Automation and orchestration. vSphere integrates with VMware vRealize Suite and other automation tools to streamline provisioning, management, and monitoring of IT resources, improving efficiency and reducing manual tasks. Cost savings. By reducing hardware and operational costs, optimizing resource utilization, and minimizing downtime, vSphere helps businesses achieve significant cost savings over time. Compatibility and ecosystem. VMware vSphere supports a wide range of operating systems, applications, and cloud platforms, offering flexibility and compatibility with existing IT environments and third-party solutions. Centralized management. With vSphere Client and vCenter Server, businesses gain centralized management of their virtual infrastructure, simplifying administration and monitoring tasks across multiple hosts and VMs. Why choose Pro Excellency for VMware vSphere online training? Expertise and experience. Trainers. Pro Excellency prides itself on hiring trainers who are not only certified in VMware technologies but also bring extensive industry experience. This ensures that the training content is relevant, up-to-date, and aligned with real-world scenarios. comprehensive coverage. Their courses cover a wide range of VMware vSphere topics, from basic to advanced concepts, ensuring that you receive a well-rounded education in vSphere management and administration. Flexible learning options. Online training. ProExcellency offers online training programs, allowing you to learn from anywhere in the world at your own pace. This flexibility is ideal for professionals who have busy schedules or prefer to study at their own convenience. Self-paced learning. Their courses typically include self-paced modules that you can access 24/7. This means you can study when it's most convenient for you, whether it's early in the morning, late at night, or during weekends. Hands-on experience. Lab exercises. A key feature of ProExcellency's training is the emphasis on hands-on practice. They provide virtual labs where you can apply theoretical knowledge in a simulated VMware vSphere environment. Real-world scenarios. By working through real-world scenarios and case studies, you gain practical experience in troubleshooting, configuration, and management tasks commonly encountered in VMware vSphere deployments. Certification preparation. Exam focus. ProExcellency's courses are structured to prepare you thoroughly for VMware certifications, such as VMware Certified Professional (VCP) exams. They cover exam objectives comprehensively and provide practice tests to gauge your readiness. Certification support. Their trainers offer tips, study resources, and exam strategies to help you approach the certification exams with confidence and maximize your chances of success. Support and community. Ongoing support. Even after completing the training, ProExcellency provides ongoing support through forums, discussion boards, and access to updated materials. This ensures that you stay connected and can seek help or clarification as needed. Community engagement. Engaging with a community of learners and VMware professionals can enhance your learning experience. ProExcellency fosters a supportive community where you can network, share insights, and learn from others' experiences. Thank you.